All right, that was my industrial size can of fruit cocktail that I partially drained. Let's just spread that out, all on the bottom of our large aluminum pan here. Beautiful. Okay, now I have a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. I did not drain this. I'm just gonna sprinkle this all throughout the dish. It's gonna be such an easy and delicious dessert. Now I have 2 family-sized boxes of banana cream pudding. I'm gonna sprinkle these right on top of everything in here. And it's important that you leave the juices or some of the juices in your fruit, because that's what's gonna help mix up this dry pudding. And then, I don't think they put enough cherries in fruit cocktail. All right, so I got my own maraschino cherries right here. Just gonna get them out with a fork. I already drained some of the juice out, just so I wouldn't have to mess with super juicy cherries, because we've already got enough juice in here from our other fruits. So you can just put as little or as many cherries as you like. Okay, I think that looks great. That's enough extra cherries for me. That was like half of the container, I would say. And now we're just gonna take our spatula and we are going to mix everything up directly in our large aluminum pan here. Oh yeah, look at that banana cream pudding. That nice yellow color it's giving this already. And really, you could use any pudding that you like. You could use vanilla. You could use lemon, coconut. You want to make sure that pudding gets completely dissolved. The powder is dissolved. No more white splotches of pudding in here. All right. Now we're gonna add something super fun. We are gonna add mini marshmallows. Yep, this is a 1-pound bag. I bet you guys were waiting for me to add these, or you were hoping that I would not. But I love marshmallows, and I'm the one making this, so I'm adding marshmallows, all right? If you don't like marshmallows and you're the one making it, don't add them. Some of the marshmallows fell on the table, and David is eating them. You're funny, David. All right. Now let's just give these marshmallows a quick fold in here. Super quick. We just want to make sure they're nice and incorporated and in there before we move on to our next step. We're almost finished. Ooh, yes. It's gonna help make the dessert nice and fluffy. It's looking pretty good. I don't think it looks bad. Now, of course, we gotta add our Cool Whip. Yep, bet you knew this was coming. 16 ounces of Cool Whip here. It's not, ooh. Oh yeah, there we go. And this is thawed, of course. You need to thaw your Cool Whip or else it will not be good. Get all this out. Don't want to waste anything. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a lot of Cool Whip. And we are gonna fold the Cool Whip right on in our gigantic container here. See, this is not even, ooh, bent it a little bit. This is not even that hard because I got this big aluminum pan helping me out so I can mix everything right in here. I don't need a mixing bowl. But of course, if you like using a mixing bowl and that's what makes you feel comfortable, go ahead and use a mixing bowl. All right, you guys, this looks amazing. It smells amazing. It is fully mixed. And usually you would need to let this chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but I cannot wait. I'm going to dig in right now. I want to show you guys how this looks. It's nice and soft and like pudding. Oh, look at the creaminess. Oh yeah. And once you put this in the fridge for a little bit, it will firm up even more if you are not liking how this is looking so far. But, and those marshmallows will soften and absorb into the dessert. I am so excited. I love fruit cocktail. All right. Oh, the banana. That's a winner.